Good morning. It is Saturday. I'm making my coffee. I'm trying to coax Kitten to come outside. She's just not sure because it's kind of early. It's another beautiful day. OU plays their last game for the season at home against LSU. I hope we win. I think we'll win, but if everybody on the field is too cocky, mistakes will be made. So yeah, don't want that to happen. I think she's gonna come out, or oh, okay. Maybe she's gonna do some porch sitting. That's our front porch. Me and my friends in Norman do a lot of porch sitting at our friend Betsy's house, so it's cute when Kitten is doing her porch sitting. But everybody's kind of getting out and about. Luna's over there making her coffee. She's already walked Biscuit, and Mindy is about to come out and make her coffee. Oh, she's already had a cup of coffee. She always has a cup of coffee. Oh, there she is. She always has a cup of coffee in her Jeep, and then she has a second cup when she comes out. It's funny how we all have our own little, what's a word? I just drew a blank. Our own routines. Oh my gosh, my brain is not fired up yet this morning. Yeah, routines. But yeah, it's beautiful out, sunny. Making a yummy omelet. Chicken, tomatoes, red onion, cheese. So today I am doing band things. I desperately need to clean out my fridge. Yeah, so much more organized. I made my own baking soda little container. Just cut holes in the top of a plastic container. There's so much condensation in my fridge, and then I have to wipe it out because there's an odor, but I thought maybe that would help. What does everybody set their fridges on? I have mine at, I think 38, but I have a thermometer right there. See it? And sometimes, like, for some reason it doesn't cycle on and it gets up to like 39, 40, 41 degrees, so I have to really keep an eye on it. Hey friends, how's everyone doing? Today is Sunday and it was a nice weekend. We had a couple of visitors this weekend. Ron stopped by to say hi, and Brian from Vintage Vanlife stopped by. And unfortunately Luna had to go home today, but we will see her this weekend. So yeah, it's nice when you can see friends that you made the previous seasons and catch up and see what everybody's up to, and share stories. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. So tomorrow's Monday. I was off pretty much all last week, so I will have a busy week. I've got a lot of work to catch up on, and I'm trying to take most of Friday off. So Mindy and I are gonna head south a little bit and do some exploring.